Hey guys, so this is Robin. I'm starting a little bit early because I just wanted to make sure things were going to be working. I noticed that over the weekend, last weekend, there was a lot of excitement when some of our speakers mentioned Canva. So if it's a tool that you aren't using in your business and you're not necessarily a graphic designer or anyone who wants to, spend a lot of time working on graphics, I highly recommend Canva. It is super easy to use. It can be a little confusing if you're already using Photoshop, but I think it's easy enough to figure out. I made this using Canva based on a template that is over here. You can start out using it for free, just canva.com. Now, as you see here, there are tons of things you can make. You can just create a design and make your own custom dimensions, or you can start with something that's already there. Social media, book covers, schedules. And I feel like the categories are always changing. I'm going to start with a thumbnail, and I think that's a really easy place to start. So here are just a bunch of cool options, and I'm going to show you how easy this is. Okay, so here is a thumbnail. Now, of course, my video might have nothing to do with this topic or this kind of imagery. You can make this whatever you want. It's only a template. So upload image. Okay, I'm just gonna upload a bunch of stuff that I have here ready. Okay, so here we go. Here's a photo of a pug that I'm just going to use and resize, and you can crop the photo, and there we go. Now we have a dog's weekend routine. If I want to change the colors, I can just click on here and make it something different. You can add your own custom color if you want. You can make it any color here. You can do anything here. Okay, and then you can change the words. Pugs hate Mondays. Now you can also very easily change the font. There are tons of fonts included. These ones with stars are included in the premium package, but you can make them, make it a style that fits your brand personality. Also in here, you have the templates. You have photos that are stock photos that you can use. There are some that are free, some are paid. You see free, pay, free, whatever. There are tons of elements in here that you can use. Photo grids, shapes, but also like stickers and different kinds of like clip art that you can use, because that looks really awesome. And then even what's cool is you can change the color in the clip art super easily and make it look crazy and terrible if you want. That looks gross. You can add, there's text here. Now I like to look through these text combinations just because sometimes I get good inspiration for like combining fonts and things. And there's also just like add a subheading, and then you can just type in what you want. Penny tells you what. I don't know. Penny's my pug, if you didn't know that. And you can move stuff around. You can come in here and this will change the opacity of an element or even a photo. Whoa, creepy. There's a lot of features that are similar to Photoshop or anything, but like I said, a lot simpler. Here you can change the photo, like it's almost like using like filters in Instagram. There are tons and tons of backgrounds in here that are really cool too. So you can just like add a new background. This is showing lines here because that's a paid option. So you can add your little branding or your watermarks or your logos, anything you want. If you want to change the photo, maybe I want to change to this happy little dog. This dog is happy. And you can just, just change it and customize it. And it's going to look nothing like the original. I don't even remember what the original looked like. I think it had this lady here. There you go. So that's how easy it is to make your own thumbnail in Canva. I've been using Photoshop for over 20 years, and I just find this is a cool tool for inspiration, for ideas, and just doing stuff like quickly when I don't want to do them. A few other things I want to share with you. You can come to my website, robincavana.com, for more about graphic design and creativity. I have a free workbook available about how to feel like a graphic designer, getting in that mindset. That's one thing. I have a couple of videos, my new channel that I'm just launching, that show you some Canva tricks. And finally, if you're interested and you're building a brand, I'm going to be kicking off a workshop called Build Your Own Branding that is for creators and entrepreneurs who want to do more than just build a logo and not necessarily pay a lot of money to get that branding. I mean, you could pay $5 for something on Fiverr and it's going to look like you paid $5 for it. But for this coaching program, you're going to learn how to do it all yourself. You can go to robincavana.com, build your own branding, and you can get in touch with me if you're interested in joining this workshop. There's going to be all kinds of stuff, live training calls, resources and tutorials, a private group where you can share your work and get feedback, and I'll be in there coaching and helping you guys along. So I think it's going to be pretty fun. And if some of you are launching a new business or wanting to rebrand and you want to DIY it but you're not sure how, this is the perfect workshop for you. Yeah, if you have questions, just let me know. I'll be around, of course, and you can always, reach out to me here on Facebook or email me at rmcabana@gmail, and, I can answer your questions. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you are enjoying your Saturday. I know I'm about to go jump in the pool. Thanks, guys. This has been fun.